Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday, which means that we are going to be doing a eBay April sales. So I do this once a month and it's usually towards either the end of the month or at the very beginning of the next month. So we figured out our total, we figured out our total profit, how much we paid for shipping and everything else, and I'm going to break it down. And then these are the categories that we are going to be stuffing with the amount that we have. Now, it kind of is a little bit on a lower end. For April, it's still up over $100, which I'm super excited about that. And then I will give you a little update on what's happening in May so far. But if that is something that interests you, please consider subscribing. I do these once a month. I also do some money challenges. I stuff my cash envelopes as well, most likely every other Saturday. So if you don't see a eBay sales, you're probably going to be seeing a stuffing video or a closeout month, anything like that. But let's get on with the video. So we're going to count this in a few minutes. So first off, it's going to be total listing. So the total listing, I went ham and I listed so much stuff. And I'm pretty sure this is rollover from May as well, a little bit. So listing, we did 92 listings. And out of the listings, we sold 12. We would have sold 13, or we actually would have sold more, but I ended this eBay on April 22nd. So I think I got some sales on the 25th and stuff. So that's going to roll over to May. And also I did have a cancellation because somebody just couldn't, come up with the funds to pay for their item. So I had to relist it as well. So we could have had a little bit more and a little bit more cash, but it's fine. We can just roll it over to May. So the total profit, that's total profit, shipping and all that, was $214. And I'm going to lower y'all down just a little bit more. Shipping was $42, which I did not take that out. I just left it in the bank. And then total profit is $172 is how much that we have saved, that we have gotten out of the bank, and we are going to divide it up with that. So let's go ahead and count. It's actually like $171.44, so I just rounded it up to $172, which just makes it easier for me and easier for you guys. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, and 72. So $172 is how much we have to work with. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is automatically take 20% out for taxes. So that is just, I don't like doing that, I know, but I know I'm going to have to pay for taxes because I am well over $1,000, probably like almost moving towards the $2,000 mark. So I know I'm going to have to claim it on taxes next year. So 172 times 20% is 34. So 34.4. So we're going to do $34. So that's going to be 20. Let's see. Lay this out a little bit, just like I do on my other challenges. That's upside down, but it'll be okay. So that's 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Okay, so that is $34 that is going to be going towards our taxes, and I do have a envelope for that. And let me see. $20, $40, $60, $80, $85, $90, $95, $100, $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is $111 going towards taxes right now. And that is to cover YouTube, eBay, anything like that. So that is $34 that we are going to be putting in. Next, we are going to be doing $40 for debt, which if you have not watched any of my videos, you wouldn't know that I actually paid one of my credit cards, and we are on our way to be paying off the next credit card, which I'm super excited. It's a little bit bigger than the first credit card, but we are going to kill that, you guys. So the next is we are going to be doing vacation. So vacation, again, if you have not been watching my video, you wouldn't know that Jared and I are actually planning a vacation, our 1-year anniversary in October, to go back to Disney. So this is going to be my 4th time, and I believe his 4th time, but it's going to be our 2nd time actually together doing it. So we are going to be doing that, and it's going to be so fun. So vacation, we are going to be putting $50 in. So that's 20, 40, 45, and 50. Now catch me on Tuesdays, because Tuesdays is whenever we are going to be coloring in our Disney challenge. So our challenge is to save $3,000, and plus I'm going to have another challenge, another Disney challenge after we finish that. But we save $50 every week. Either it's going to be my week or it's going to be Jared's week. Usually I try to do every week for myself, but Jared does it every 2 weeks. So we put $50, and each $50 gets marked off a Mickey and a Minnie Mouse head. So be sure to check that out on Tuesday at 5 p.m. at CST. So I look forward to seeing you guys there. So let's count how much we have in vacation. So we have 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 45, and 50. So we have $450, which is great. I am going to be ordering some placeholders for the $500, so then I can put it in savings. Next up that we are going to be doing is we are going to be doing special occasion. Now, special occasion for this year, as of right now, until after June 18th, my best friend is getting married. So I will have to be paying for my hair, my makeup, my shoes, alterations, anything like that. Right now I have enough to cover my hair and my makeup. My next goal is for my alterations, which is probably going to be a lot, because I did buy a dress that's like 4 times too big for me. So she's going to have to do a lot of alterations on that. So we are going to be putting $20 in there. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and $95. So that's going to be $95 that we are going to be putting in there. And our total right now is $95. Now, usually, I think if you've seen any of my older videos for the eBay, I usually write down the amount that I'm actually going to be putting in, and then an arrow, and then the total. This time, I didn't do it because, honestly, I just remembered. Not gonna lie. So next up is going to be $20, and that is actually going to be going back to eBay. So what that means is that I'm just going to use the $20, go to yard sales, go to thrift stores, anything like that, and just use it to put some more items on my eBay list. Or, you know, I have to buy more bubble wrap or packagings, anything like that that can help me. And this is only to cover May sales. So $20 should last me, because I do have a ton of bubble wrap still, a ton of boxes. So this is probably going to be just used for yard selling. So I'm just going to set that aside. Now, next and last but not least is going to be Dobby. So Dobby is going to be getting $8. And the reason that I decided to do Dobby this time, so 5, 6, 7, 8, is because he just got his haircut. So he went to the groomers on Thursday, and it was $40. So it was $35 plus a tip and everything. So I think Jared did $40. I'm not sure, but I think it was $30, and then we tipped her $10. So we're gonna do $8 because we really do need to bump this up because I am planning on getting Dobby fixed, is because we do have a lot of vacations coming up. I'm not sure who's going to be babysitting. I would love for my family member to babysit, but if not, we do need to get him neutered so he can get boarded. So we are going to be putting $8 towards that. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we have $17 right now, which is fine. And look, $17. All right, you guys, so that is it. So that is our eBay April sales. Super excited about May, but let's do a recap for April. So the total listings was 92 listings. We sold 12 items with a total of $214. Shipping was $42, and our total profit is $172 to play with. So 20% of the $172 is $34. Debt was $40. Vacation was $50. Special occasion, we bumped it up, so we have $95. eBay was $20, and Dobby was $17. So coming up in May, I'm trying not to list as many items as possible in May. I'm trying to like promote it, you know, share it on my social medias, even on here if you want to. It is AHH Shirley 2010. So that is my eBay. I'm going to link it down below as well in case you want to go and look at the items. I do have a lot of glass stuff, like stuff from Japan, Taiwan, anything like that. So I got a lot of that, and I do a lot of like plushes, like Build-A-Bears, Disney, stuff like that, and that does sell pretty good on my site. So if you would like to go on my eBay account, I will link that down below as well. But in May, I'm not trying to post a lot of the stuff. I think I sold 3 items as of right now. So that is the plan. Get rid of my inventory so I do have a ton of inventory that I've been saving up that I really do want to post. So I'm just going to keep posting on my socials, get the word out, see if I can deplete my inventory so I can make room and post for some new inventory. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much for your love and support. I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. And yeah, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys Tuesday. Bye.